good morning once again, and welcome to day 2 in Wasdale, our little trip to Wasdale.
Yeah.
And there's been a bit of a change in the weather today. It's as you can probably see down there, the cloud has come in. It was forecast, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
So I'm glad we got our high fell in yesterday. That is over there is Lingmoor. That's where we were yesterday. Sorry, Lingmell. Over there, Scarfell Pike, you can't even see. Great Gable, you can't even see. Today's objective, which we decided, because
a lot of the high fells are going to be clouded
Yeah.
out summits today, so we thought we'd go for a lower one.
go for a medium fell, which is that one there, which is Illgill Head.
Which,
And-
funnily enough, still has some clouds.
Yeah, it's not looking great at the moment, but
But
we're hoping that will clear.
yeah, it's actually one of my favourites. I love that fell, especially for views down to Wastwater, if we get them.
Yeah, again, it's probably been maybe 4 or 5 years since we've done it,
Yeah,
but when you do get the views, absolutely stunning.
yeah.
So we're hoping it clears out. It's kind of mizzling at the moment. It's more of that low cloud feel rather than rain, but we're hoping it's going to blow through. And we're hoping we're going to get some views. So all we can do is crack on and cross our fingers and hope for the best, I suppose, isn't it?
Yeah,
So let's get rolling.
let's go.
Let's go. Got a nice little beck crossing on a very twee little stone bridge here. A little double waterfall going on. But as you can see in the background, the cloud is kind of in and out. Oh, it's kind of very much in at the moment. The mizzle's sort of stopped, but that low cloud is blowing through. It looks a bit clearer up on Illgill where we're headed for now. But anything can happen still, can't it?
It's atmospheric.
It is, very moody. Well, it's definitely clearing out a bit. It's blowing in from the coast over there. There's still a bit down, well, there's quite a lot down the end of the valley, to be fair. And it's moving pretty slow, but over there where it's coming from, it's looking a bit better. So we're starting to lose views of the lake and the head of the valley as we're sort of turning in to head up the left side of Illgill. And the weather is improving a little bit. Still sort of broken clouds. Barrow's quite clagged in. Lingmell's looking a bit clearer. Great Gable's still gone. But we've just been discussing it, and you don't know what the next 5 minutes holds here. It's that kind of place.
This may have been a good choice for today though, because it does look like it's clearing
Yeah.
more towards the coast. So
The wind is actually blowing in 180 degrees the opposite direction to yesterday. It was coming in that way yesterday. It's now coming in this way. So hopefully, yeah, if it clears out at the coast, it might blow some clearer stuff in, but who knows? We shall see. So we've been enjoying this steep grass path all the way up from that dry stone wall. We crossed over a little stile, and it still looks like it's clearing a little bit more. It's sort of in and out, can't make its mind up, but we can't see out to the coast now because that's sort of over that way, so we can't see what's rolling in, but it's sort of looking better. It's a bit whiter over there, so we're ever the optimists, hey?
Glass half full.
Yep. Well, it would appear we have ascended into the cloud. We kind of thought this might happen. As you can see, complete and utter whiteout. Darn it. Yeah, so we were going to try and show you an absolutely incredible view from up here down onto the lake and Wasdale Head, which is absolutely stunning, but I'm not sure that's going to happen now. But bear with us, it might blow through. We're not quite at the top yet, so I hope you can hear me. It's pretty crazy windy up here. What do you think? So the view you're about to see actually won 2014's Britain's Favourite View competition on the TV show with Julia Bradbury. And you can see why, can't you? Absolutely stunning. You got Wastwater down there. You got Yew-Barrow over there, the Wasdale Valley behind it. You can see Red Pike and Scopefell. And there's Pillar. I think then you've got Kirkfell, Great Gable, Lingmel, Scarfell Pike and Scarfell. Absolutely stunning, eh?
Gorgeous. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Britain's favourite.
Britain's favourite. Oh, hang on. There's a little bit of it. It's a little bit. No, it's gone. Never mind. We'll hang around and see if it clears. Well, we've made our way over to the other side of the summit ridge and found this little, nicely built little wind shelter. Oh my God! Look at that. See that faint yellow ball through the cloud? That's the sun. So yeah, I think we're going to sit here and have a bite to eat. See what happens to the weather. Oh, blimey, look at that. God, in the space of a few seconds, that is Burnmoor Tarn. You can just see on the far side Burnmoor Lodge, which is the home to some kind of religious group who kind of live off grid there. We did have a very brief glimpse of Kirkfell, but now it's gone. But we'll keep the camera to hand and see if anything else happens. Well, as you can see, the warm jackets and gloves have gone on because it's pretty bitter up here, but I think we might have our view, so we're heading over to the edge to have a look. Well, we've popped back over to the windy side and it has cleared out an awful lot, and we have our view, which is rather magnificent. We've got a view right out to the coast there. Middlefell, Seatallen and Buckbarrow over there. Yew-Barrow over here. You just can't quite see Red Pike and Scopefell behind. Pillars just in the cloud over there. Kirkfell and Great Gable just in the cloud. And that's Lingmore, where we were yesterday, again in the cloud. And Scarfell Pike, again in the cloud. But I think that's about as good as it's going to get. It is one hell of a view. Almost the full length of Wastwater. And Wasdale Head nestled down here. Absolutely stunning.
Head-Wastwater. It's just beautiful.
And we were just laughing that you can see we were sat yesterday, where are we? Right there on the flanks of Lingmel at about 3:30, 4 o'clock, having a Red Bull, baking alive in the sunshine. I had to roll my trouser legs up, I had a t-shirt on, it was flipping roasting. And now I've got 5 layers, gloves, hat, buff, you name it.
That's Wasdale.
That's what happens here, yeah. Right, we're going to head on down and bring you back if anything exciting happens. So we are not far off being back down on the valley floor. We've actually got quite a good view of where we were yesterday. If I zoom in a little bit, that is
see the route there.
Lingmel. You can kind of see the path heading up this ridge here, and then along the top, that's your false summit. The true summit's around here somewhere, under cloud today. Nice fell, nice climb that yesterday.
Yeah, and it's been nice today as well.
It has, yeah. I didn't think we were going to get any views at all when it clagged up on the way up. So,
yeah, I think it was a good choice because certainly the high fells would have been out today.
yeah, I mean, looking down the end of the valley all day, pretty much all the tops have been under cloud most of the day, so I don't think any of those would be a goer today.
Yeah.
But, yeah, it's been a nice one, hasn't it? It's been so nice to get back here. It's been like pulling on a comfy old pair of slippers, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Visiting an old friend.
We're going to try and make it an annual thing. We've really missed it, haven't we?
4 years is too long to leave it, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, yeah, we've loved Wasdale, the return to Wasdale, and we'll definitely be back. So I think this is going to be us signing off, heading back down to the pod. Possibly heading down for a little sit-off at Wasdale Beck if it stays dry.
Yeah, if the rain stays off.
Nice little spot down there, isn't it?
Yeah.
And a little chill out and maybe another barbecue this evening. But, yeah, thanks very much for watching, as usual, appreciate that.
Yeah, thank you.
And we shall see you on the next one. Ta-ta for now.
Bye.
See ya.